Hey guys, it's Dr. Sam Robbins, and today I'm going to talk about TRT, that's testosterone replacement therapy, anything and everything you want to know about it. I've got, a ton of information, so I'm going to be looking at my notes. So let's first of all, I'm going to tell you about what is testosterone, basically, how does it get started? Testosterone is a hormone that both men and women have. So keep that in mind. Actually, women have more testosterone than they'd have estrogen. That's most people think it's the other way around. We all have all the same hormone. So keep that in mind. It's just different degrees. Testosterone for men, it's primarily made in the testicles, the gonads, and as you get older, things don't work as well. Your pituitary, tells us signals to here and this, hypothalamus, blah, blah, blah. Forget all the medical stuff. Basically, as we get older, or different things that you do, different diets, different body fat, all these things make your testosterone go lower because things just aren't working as well. So most of it is all made in the testicles. So that's the difference between men and women. Women, it's through the adrenals. Men, it's primarily all through your testicles.